Levy is super excited to finally have a chance to welcome back Buckeye Nation to the shoe. These are some ideas of some flavors that you're going to see that's a little bit different than what you've seen before. Our Taste of the Competition burger, it's located at 10A and 10C in the visiting team location. It's not a new concept, but the idea is that every year we create a burger that is of the flavors of the visiting team's region, and we pair that with a beer from that region. The three that we're focusing on today is the Nittany Burger, the Kraft Burger, and the Polish Burger. The Nittany Burger is for the Penn State game. It's got a half-pound burger topped with French fries, coleslaw, and tomato. The Oregon Kraft Burger is got a grilled beef patty with a little Tillamook cheese on there. The Akron Burger is a Polish burger. It's a grilled beef patty topped with bacon, red onion jam, tarragon mayo, and sliced Asiago. The 614 dog is what the culinary team came up with this year for our overloaded stands. It is a Sugardale dog topped with sauerkraut, diced onions, a stout brown mustard, so it's got a little bit of spice, and then a hot honey. Ben's Pretzels has been a local partner with us since about 2018. They are offering a Script Ohio pretzel for our suites and club level. The Block O pretzel is also a fan favorite, and their traditional pretzel as well. They just do such a great job. They're located in the south at 38, and then they have a cart location on C Deck at 17. We have a new partnership with Barrio Tacos this season. They're located at 10A concession stand. They bring a flavor that we haven't seen inside the stadium for a while. They're going to be serving their Barrio box, which will be 2 tacos, sirloin chicken, or they have a vegetarian option. And it's filled with chips, salsa, guac, or queso. Like always, we like to partner with those local brewers that we have around. Land Grant has 3 specific options this season that I think will make a difference for those craft lovers. Lemon Glow, which has been very, very popular. It's light, fresh, especially for those hot game days, but still providing that craft option. And then Skull Session and Stiff Arm IPAs are specifically made for Ohio Stadium. This year, we are piloting in every one of our concession stands the option of skipping the line. Mobile ordering is the best way to do that. It provides an opportunity because nobody needs another app, right? So with the QR codes that we have laid out in the concourse, it's as simple as taking a picture with your phone and it takes you straight to the website. Each QR codes that are located outside of each concession stand will specifically take you to that concession stand to place your order to make sure that you're ordering to the right location. New this year, we also have program sales inside every single concession stand. Traditionally, there has been vendors located throughout the stadium for you to have to track down and find that program. No longer necessary. We'll have them available inside the stands while supplies last. We're really happy to change up the layout on C Deck for the upcoming season. We have expanded our refill stations to not just A and B deck, but now C Deck, making it so that you can go to any of your concession stands, buy your refillable souvenir cup, and go to your fountain stations throughout the concourse. There are 6 located on C Deck. So we're really excited to change the layouts of the cart locations on C Deck this year. I know that traditionally there's been that line that you have to bob and weave around to be able to walk through. This year with the grab and go layout, you'll be able to walk, grab your hot option, grab your beverage, check out at the end, get back to the field, but that line is gonna go parallel with where you wanna walk, so no more bobbing and weaving.